Welcome to Vehicle Vibes. Jio has entered the electric mobility market with its 2025 Jio Electric Cycle, an innovative and budget-friendly option for daily commuters. With a focus on affordability, smart features, and sustainability, this e-cycle aims to revolutionize urban transportation. Let's dive into its key features, performance, and pricing. Sleek design and comfortable ride. The Jio Electric Cycle features a lightweight yet sturdy frame, making it perfect for city roads. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable ride, while LED lights and reflectors enhance visibility and safety. The adjustable seat and efficient suspension make it suitable for riders of all ages. Powerful motor and smooth performance. Equipped with an efficient electric motor, this cycle offers smooth acceleration and multiple riding modes, including full electric and pedal assist. The top speed is optimized for urban commuting, ensuring a safe and stable ride in traffic. Long battery life and fast charging. The removable lithium-ion battery provides a range of 50 to 80 kilometers per charge, making it ideal for daily travel. With fast charging technology, the battery can be recharged in just a few hours, allowing riders to stay on the move without long waiting times. Smart connectivity and security. Jio has integrated IoT-based smart features, including a dedicated mobile app for real-time tracking, battery status, and GPS navigation. Anti-theft protection adds extra security, making this e-cycle a reliable choice for urban riders. Affordable price and availability. Jio has positioned this electric cycle as a budget-friendly alternative to traditional fuel-based transport. With an expected competitive price, it will be available across Jio stores and online platforms, making electric mobility more accessible than ever. Final thoughts: is it worth buying? The 2025 Jio Electric Cycle is a game-changer for eco-friendly transportation, offering a stylish design, strong battery life, smart features, and an affordable price. Whether you're a student, office worker, or delivery rider, this e-cycle is a great choice for daily commutes. What are your thoughts on the Jio Electric Cycle? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vehicle Vibes for more exciting vehicle reviews. Stay tuned for more updates.